Introducing Incident Reporter 365, the innovative solution for reporting and managing maintenance issues in solar farms. With Incident Reporter 365, field technicians can quickly report any issues right from the field. They can capture photos of the issue and provide a detailed description. Managers can track and manage reported incidents from a centralized dashboard. They can assign the issue to the appropriate maintenance team for resolution. Here is another example of faulty wiring. Maintenance teams can access all relevant information about the reported issue, including photos and any history. They can update the status of the issue as they work on resolving it. Managers can review the repair reports and ensure that issues are resolved satisfactorily. Dust accumulation is yet another example. Technicians can also report preventive maintenance needs, such as cleaning operations, to ensure optimal performance. Vegetation obstruction can have an impact in the solar field. Managers can schedule and track preventive maintenance tasks, such as vegetation removal, to maintain peak efficiency. Incident Reporter 365 provides suitable performance analytics. Managers can access comprehensive analytics and reports to identify trends, optimize maintenance efforts, and maximize energy output. With Incident Reporter 365, solar farm operators can efficiently report and manage maintenance issues, ensuring optimal performance and maximizing energy production. Incident Reporter 365, your reliable partner.